Hello, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I bring a major update for Aimogen, and today it brings a new major feature. So major features were not released quite a while for Aimogen. Only smaller updates were provided, but today I bring you a new AI Snippets feature which will be added to Aimogen Pro in the latest updates. So this AI snippet will allow you to modify or add to your site various stuff, and let me show you its power. So you will be able to use AI to generate little snippets of code, of styling, of JavaScript code, of PHP code, of HTML, which will be added selectively to your website. So let me show you how to use this. So we have here the AI snippets menu overview, which will give you a basic description. Create snippet, which will allow you to create your first snippet, and manage snippets, which will list your existing snippets. So let me show you how to use this. So first of all, I want to give you some examples on how you can use this. So first, I created here some examples, and I want to show you first that you can create the snippets using AI or write your snippet manually if you are a programmer or if you found some snippets on the internet. So first of all, think of something that you want to add to your site. In this case, I want to run this prompt on so add a floating badge in the bottom right corner that says members only show it to logged in users, style it with dark background, white text, rounded corners, and subtle shadow. Okay, so now this is the part that needs to go here in the conditions, because as you see, we have title, type, which has auto detect, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and priority conditions, the assistant AI model. These are what AI you want to use if you generate with AI, prompt, and activates. So this needs to be added into the conditions. Click auto generate conditions using AI, only show to logged in users, click generate, and condition will be generated for you. User logged in is yes. So if the user is logged in, this snippet will run. You can also add this manually if you click this button and select user registered date or user logged in. Yes, this is the one. You can remove them and you can add more conditions like this. But now let's leave this default condition and let's generate and save. But before, add a title, a simple title like badge, and generate and save. Now we will generate our first snippet, and until then, note that Aimogen is linked in this video's description. We have here HTML type inactive, and here it is. Let me refresh the site here. This is my default site. I move myself out of the way just in case. And let's enable this snippet by switching this switch. And let's refresh this page. And here it is. The badge appeared for us, members only. Note that this is added by this snippet. If we disable it, we don't see it anymore. And note that it is visible only for logged in users. If I go here in this incognito page, refresh the page, it will not be visible here. Okay, so now this is just the beginning of what this can do. So you can clone, delete, edit the snippet. Let's hit edit, and also until then, let's get back to manage, and we can see that the status switched to active because we activated it. And if we go here and click the edit snippet, we will be redirected as usual to edit snippet mode, where we can manage, see the code that was generated by the AI, see the conditions, modify, manually add, different conditions. As you can see, you have time-based conditions, registration day, user-based conditions, post-based conditions, and many more, even debug mode and site area for the front-end admin part, and many more. So we just have to delete what we don't use. Okay, so this is the first stuff. So now let's go to manage snippets and let's delete this, and let me show you something else. The second snippet I want to show you is this. So create a new snippet, create a fixed promotional banner on top of the page that says flash sale minus 40% off, full width fixed to top, a high Z index, and dismissible with a small close button, using like JavaScript to dismiss the button. And let's add a title to it, activate it, and we can generate and save. Note that if you don't add conditions, then the snippet will be enabled only on the front end, on your entire front end. So note this, that if you want to enable a snippet also in the admin backend, you will need to add manually this. So site area needs to be admin or global. So if you want to run it also on the backend, it needs to be admin or global. Okay, but I don't want this right now. Just let's go and refresh our site, and here it is. Our flash sale banner is red, the same color as our top banner here, and it is dismissible with this button, as you can see. Okay, now let's say that I don't like this banner. I want to edit it manually or using AI. So if I edit it manually, I can do it here. We can edit the colors here, but if you don't know JavaScript, CSS, PHP, HTML, no problem. You have this AI editing part where you can describe what you want to edit. Edit the banner, make it blue, and click modify with AI, and the plugin will do its magic and it will modify the banner as you told it. Now let's refresh. Yes, this is on top of it. So in the backend, let's refresh. We have here flash sale. So we can see that the admin banner from WordPress is on top of our banner. We can fix this by saying that bring the banner much closer, so other banners are not covering it. Modify with AI. We can wait this a bit. And let's refresh. Oh yeah, it's in the backend here. Okay, so as we can see that so yeah, we need to experiment, as sometimes the AI will not do the job. So we can manually update even Z index, and let's refresh now. So yeah, basically we need to experiment more with this. So keep in mind that you can also set conditions. For example, let's say that we want to show only between these dates, and we can click generate using AI, and conditions will be generated. Site area is front end, current date between 11 and this date. So yeah, basically this will show up. Okay, now let me show you the next one. So let's manage, let's delete this one, and let's create a new snippet, and let's say add a styled notice before post content that says editor preview mode, only show it to logged in user to editor role, add subtle background coloring. So note that the conditions part needs to get the part where where we define when and where and to who we should show this. So here it is, user role in editor. You can also click your mouse and hold down the Control key to change this, and we can generate and save, and this will editor preview mode will and add a title also, sorry. And now let's generate and save, and now we will get the snippet created by the AI. We can create modify the models that we want to use. Here it is, we can edit it. Don't forget to enable it if you did not enable it until now. And if we refresh, editor preview mode is added to our post content, as we can see, like this. Also, there can be made many stuff like changing the background color, so we can add another snippet, for example, by clicking the create new button, because now I'm in edit mode, and change the background color of the entire page to light blue on product post types, on post type, because I don't show you products right now. Let's add a title and click save and generate and save, and let's see what we get. And we can also check this, what we got. So body post content, but in this case, in this theme, there is no post content. It is actually entry content, so you need to experiment with this, because your theme might be different from what the AI is used to. And here it is. You will be able to check this also. So yeah, also let's see what we will get. We can also use plugin aware stuff. So let's create a new snippet, and let's say that we want to, if WooCommerce is active, display a floating cart reminder message, free shipping for orders above, and let's give it a name, and we will be able to see it also in action. But let's be sure to have this generated, and then refresh our front end. And yeah, free shipping on orders over $100. Here it is. This is the badge, where we can do many more stuff. If visitor language is German, for example, show a bottom banner with willkommen. Also display a small badge between in the corner saying good morning between special hours. Add the styled box before post content on single posts. And we can also do advanced stuff. Let me show you. Create snippet, and in the auto generate conditions, we add this only on single post or product pages for logged in users, not on weekends between 8 and 18, and only on front end. So we can click generate, and an advanced rule will be generated for our conditions engine here. Here it is, post front end user logged in. We can select the days we want, time of day between 8 and 6 p.m. and or post, we can select also the names here, and between 8 and 6 p.m. So you can see that there are many usages of this new feature. Give it a try. Let me know what you think of it. Aimogen is linked in this video's description. This new feature will unlock many new possibilities for you guys. If you have ideas, suggestions, let me know. This is all for today. Bye bye.